Here we go again, our weekly scuba diving. Yee! Breakfast muna kami dito. Wow, second place pala itong kakainan namin. Let's see kung masarap. Gotong Batangas, look. Yan, second place, Lomi. So after dun sa Tapsilog, second runner-up, ito, nandito na kami sa bangka. Ano, Bullet, masarap?
Second place.
From the parking to the resort, it will take about 5 minutes boat ride. Lapit lang. That's our resort. In less than 5 minutes pala. Bauan Diver Sanctuary. Well, this is our second home before. And ngayon na rin siguro ulit. Oh, hindi ka pa nagda-dive, nakikita mo na yung sea snake. Ayun, no? Ayan ang sea snake, oh. Oh, hindi ka pa nagda-dive, ha? Lupit talaga. Hello, Papuy. Papuy. Let's go. Room namin is 408 Jewel. Yan, malaki yung bed. King size pala nga. Isang single. First dive done. Ako naging dive guide. Tatlo lang kami. Walang dive guide. So, familiar naman tayo dito sa reef. Kaya, sabi lang, 40 feet and mga macro. Yun. Galing. Our second dive. Kami lang ulit. Punta kami sa Shark's Cave.
Keep the secret, can you feel it? My heart beating. You make me wanna do these wild things. Your touch is supernatural. Oh, I can't fight this feeling. I'm floating through the ceiling. Can you feel it? I can feel it. Oh, you got me started. Nothing gonna stop it. It's crazy. I'm falling. Don't
after our second dive, eto na. Kain na. It's good to be back. Dito sa VDS. Dito sa VDS, look, meron silang 180-degree view ng dining nila, oh. Grabe. Oh. Ganda.
Ayun tayo, ito na tayo ng Marcel.
Ano naman? Favorite. Oh, chicken. Very generous pa rin ang BDS sa food. Ang dami. Ubos. Okay. Our third dive for today. Sisilipin namin yung WeGo wreck diving. Ito ang signature ng BDS, oh. Nakakamiss to. Turon. After our third dive, nagpahinga. Ngayon lang kami lumabas for dinner. Gabi na. Babe. 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 Meatball soup. Healthy dinner. And ito pa. Yan, tapos na mag-dinner. Tulog na ulit. Pahinga. Good morning. Last day, June 3. Tatamad na kami mag-dive.
Hindi na kaya mag-dive.
Wala na, tamad na. Good morning. Good morning, Monday. Ano na mga divers?
Lola.
Ayaw na. Ayaw na mag-dive. Ayun o. Dock diver.
Pagod na. Sakit na ng balakang ko.
After kumain, uwi na. Dati dive pa eh. Mga 3 dives pa to.
3 dives pa na dati. So, on the next day, hindi na kaya magda-dive.
Wala na. Tinamad na. Ano ba itong mga to? Good morning. Good morning. Ayaw na nila mag-dive. Ayaw na nila. Our last meal or our last day for now. Dito sa magandang view na to. Grabe. You know? Career woman. Yun na. Next dive ulit. So, kahapon pala yung third dive namin would be our last dive. So, ngayon uwi na kami. Thank you so much, BDS. Yan, the best. We'll be back. Marami tayo. Okay, bye-bye.